Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Zoom on Windows 11 laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. So I got the meeting link. I want to join the meeting link. Once I click join meeting link, it will automatically direct you to the Zoom meeting application. So if I want to install the Zoom application, means I just click here to launch the meeting. So once I launch the meeting, I'm not able to launch the meeting because I don't have the Zoom meeting application. So what I have to do here, so just go to zoom.us, that is Zoom application website. So once you go to zoom.us, there will be a lot of options will be available, so you can download your application over here. So what you have to do, so I have given the description links. So once you click the link, that link will direct you to the download option. So zoom.us download. So latest version of Zoom is 5.9.3. for example, if you are from Windows 11 to Windows 10 to 11, means you are jumping into that. Here means there will be a Zoom application. So just go to your search box or start menu. If you search Zoom, means your application will be displayed over here. That is old model, that is old application. So the updated one will be in version 5.9.3. so they have updated Zoom application. Just click here to download. So if you have the application, just uninstall and install again, so that you will get a clear voice and every control. So the exe will be installed in my laptop. Just click run option. So once you click run option, automatically my Zoom application will be initiating the installation. The installation was successful. Just click done option. So I can join the meeting without any other things. I just click here. For example, I just click here to join the meeting. Directly it will open the box, because before I open it won't be this pop-up box. Now I have the application, Zoom application. So now I can click here to open Zoom application meeting box. So I can give my name. For example, I just want to give my name and join the meeting, means without login I can check and join the meeting. So join with audio, join without audio. I just click here to without audio and video, means directly the Zoom application will be joined here. So once the meeting admit, means automatically I will into the meeting, so that I'm easy to access. So if you have a Zoom meeting, if you have a Windows 11, means you need to install Zoom meeting without any other hesitation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.